Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free raw image file editor for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one image file, that is a raw image file. So let me show its properties to make you confirm. So you can see this is a Canon camera raw image file format. So different camera brands uses a different raw format files, like Sony uses a ARW, Nikon uses a different raw format files. So different camera brands uses a different raw camera files. So now just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Darktable. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see on the above install, just click on it. Now you will see different installer version. The first one is for the Linux computer, the middle one is for Windows, and the third one is for the Mac operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. Now just right mouse click on the respective raw image file and select this open with. Now you will see the Darktable. Just click on it. Now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So on the left panel you can see some options like snapshots, history, duplicate manager, color picker, tagging, image information, box manager, and the last one is the export one. And on the right side you can see on the above the light table is the dashboard where your image will be placed or managed, and the next option is the darkroom where you can edit your raw image files. So you can see below quick access panel in order to edit the respective contrast, color calibrations, exposure, lens correction, denoise, so and so. So you can just change the color calibrations here, and next to it you can see here so only active module, and next to it is the base, so local contrast. So you can see tons of options here also. Next to it is a color, so here is a color zone, you can change the color depending upon your needs. And next to it is a correct option, you can sharpen the image, astrophoto denoise, retouch, you can liquify, denoise, hot pixels, lens corrections, raw chromatic aberration, and the last one is the effects. You can give a watermark, framing, vignetting, grain, contrast equalizer, blurs, and so and so. So these are the options you're gonna get. And if you click on this three horizontal lines, there's some modules you can select depending upon your needs. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the darkroom option to edit your respective color, contrast, so and so. So once your editing is done, you can see on the left side export, just click on it, and now you can select the output folder. So let me select my respective output folder. I'll just select the desktop, and below you can see file format. So you can select different file formats depending upon your needs, which file format you want to select. So I'll just select the JPEG and I'll just increase the quality to 100%, and there are more options. You can resize the pixel size also depending upon your needs. So I'll just keep it as it is, and once you're done, just click on export. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the edited raw image file has been exported. Let us minimize it. So let me show the edited image file properties. So now you can see we have finally exported it as a JPG file. So in my opinion, it's a best free raw image file editor for Windows, Mac and Linux computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.